Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a Google shortcut to desktop. Now, this method will work no matter what browser you're using. So it doesn't matter if it's Chrome, Firefox, Opera, whatever other browser you have, this method will work. And the first thing you want to do, of course, is you want to head to google.com like this. Now, on google.com, you just want to go to desktop here and then open Chrome again and then minimize it. Now, you can see when you minimize it or get it windowed like this, you just want to highlight the link like this, grab it, and then drag it onto your desktop. There you go. You have a Google or a Google shortcut here, right here on your desktop. Now, if you see, if I click on it and I click on show more option, open, I guess when I open it, it'll automatically open to my current default browser, which is Opera. And then I have a Google desktop here, a Google shortcut on my desktop. Now you can see this works no matter if I have a Opera here. So for example, if I have Opera, I just make it windowed, go my google.com, drag and drop it, and then I can just click on copy and replace, and there you go. I also have a Google shortcut now on my desktop. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.